Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by activating the GPS mod and mounting it on the vehicle you will use. First, set the working width to match your implement and pick a headland margin so turns clear equipment. Then create an A-B line by driving point A, turning, and driving point B. This sets the guidance vector. Once done, save that profile so you can recall the same tracks later, and make sure the GPS icon shows active to begin guidance. Next, engage the guidance mode and choose whether the GPS will steer for you or provide a visual overlay you follow manually. While working, adjust the offset to compensate for wheel drift or implement placement. For planters, pick 0, 5 or finer. Also set the direction, forward or reverse, and enable speed limits so the system keeps consistent passes. If your implement can auto-fold, link that to headland behavior. To finish, save the completed track set and mark your field borders. This guarantees identical passes next time. If something goes wrong, first check the GPS status icon and update the mod to the latest version, then try reattaching the device to another vehicle to isolate hardware issues. If steering behaves strangely, reset offset to 0 and recalibrate by re-establishing A-B points. This often resolves drift. Finally, make a short test run to confirm corrections before reworking the whole field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.